Hi, I'm Matt Kuhn. I'm your tutor for Python, and today I'd like to work on assignment 5.6 with you. Let's jump in. Assignment 5.6 asks us to convert a number from base 10 to another base. Let's convert 31 into base 16. The first step is to find the remainder of the number divided by the base. 31 divided by 16 has a remainder of 15. By the way, here's a good resource for finding the remainder of division. Calculators.org/math/modulo.php. Example 31 modulo 16, 15. Then we convert the remainder into a number of that corresponding base, which in base 16, the number 15 is represented with an F. This number will be the rightmost digit in our result. Step 3 is to divide the integer by the base. 31 divided by 16 is about 1.9. Round that down to 1. And then repeat this process until the integer is 0. So let's run it again since the integer is 1 right now. The remainder of 1 divided by 16 is 1. 1 converted to hexadecimal is still 1. This will be the next rightmost digit. 1 divided by 16, rounding down, is 0.00, maybe 0.01 something or other. But round that down and it's 0. The integer is now 0, so the answer to converting 31 to base 16 is 1F. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is paste in the conversion table. It was called rep table, but I renamed it to conversion table. And I'll be using this later. The next thing I see is it expects us to define a function called decimal to rep. It takes 2 arguments. The first argument is the integer that we are converting. The next argument is the base we are converting to. Now we're going to be concatenating strings here, so I'll define that string now. You remember from the whiteboard session that we need to make a loop that keeps looping until decimal is 0. The first thing we need to do is find the remainder, or the modulo, from the division that would occur between the decimal and the base. Then we convert that remainder. Then we append that next digit to our result. Now we divide the decimal by the base, rounding down. Those 2 slash markers indicate a division rounding down. I have forgotten the return statement. Let's run it again to make sure it works. Looks right. Now let's run the checks. Looks good. That's the way it's done. I hope that was helpful. Again, I'm Matt Kuhn. I'm your embedded tutor for Python. And if you ever need to email me or schedule time with me, you should be able to find that information in the accompanying announcement. Thanks again, and have a blessed day.